I'm Dawn Meyer. I'm with Neighborhood Alliance, and we are here at the Senior Nutrition Kitchen preparing over 400 meals for our seniors that receive home-delivered meals on a regular daily basis. And so this year, unfortunately, due to some cuts we received in funding, the seniors, we realized, were not going to be getting a Thanksgiving meal. So staff wanted to make sure that we provided them with a Thanksgiving meal in celebration. So thanks to Pat and Alan Spitzer and their family, they provided the funding so that we could come together and prepare a meal. And so all of the management staff and some volunteers have come together this morning to prepare the meals, and they'll be delivered this afternoon to all of our seniors so that they do have a hot meal for Thanksgiving. So what did you have in a Thanksgiving meal? There's turkey and stuffing and dressing and, well, I guess that is stuffing. Turkey, dressing, gravy, green beans, sweet potatoes, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pies, rolls, butter, milk. We plan the meal also around the nutritional needs of the seniors, so we take all that into consideration as well.